Hello everybody and welcome to Pankaj's Echelon Tutorials, and in this today's video we are going to start with the remaining questions of exercise 5 that we were doing. So in fact in the last video we had covered some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions from exercise 5. So we have to now start from question number 8. Okay, so you can see on the screen, this is your question number 8. Okay, so let us get started with this question number 8. Question number 8. Now question number 8, you can see this figure. In this figure they have given you this as B, this is C, this is A, and this is also A. Okay, so this particular distance has to be how much? It should be C minus A, right? Fine. Now, if I happen to join this particular line this way, then this figure gets divided into two rectangles. Okay, and the area of this figure will be nothing but area of the figure will be one second. So area will be equal to area of figure 1 plus area of figure 2, rather rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. So area of rectangle 1 will be, this is how much? B times A. So it will be AB, plus area of this rectangle 2 will be C minus A times A. So I'll write C minus A times A. This will work out to AB plus AC minus A square, or this is the answer for the area of this figure. Okay, so area of the figure should be equal to AB plus AC minus A square. Okay, in terms of A, B and C. So that was question number 8. Now let us try this question number 9. Question number 9 says that find a formula for the length of the shaded part below in terms of P, Q and R. Okay, so this is that figure given over here, and this shaded region is this one. Okay, so if I take this length of this particular distance, okay, the shaded green shaded region, if I take this as X, if I take this as say Y, and this if I take as Z, then this entire length is P. So can I write P is equal to X plus Y plus Z? Okay, then this from year to year is given as Q. So can I write Q is equal to X plus Y? Okay, this Q will be equal to X plus Y, and this is given as R. Okay, from year to year, so R can be written as X plus Z. R will be equal to X plus Z. Okay, fine. So I want this X in terms of P, Q and R. Okay, so what I will do is from here, from this formula, okay, I can write R minus Z is equal to X. Okay, from here, see Z I'll take on this side, so R minus Z is equal to X, right? Now this Z I can write as what I'll write, R minus Z is equal to X. Okay, I want the formula for X, right, in terms of P, Q and R. Okay, so from for this Z I will write P minus X minus Y. From this, I'll get Z is equal to P minus X minus Y. Okay, so R minus P minus X minus Y, this will be X. This should work out to R minus P plus X plus Y equal to X. Okay, now I want the answer of this X in terms of P, Q and R only. I don't want X and Y, but this X plus Y can be written as Q, because here I have that X plus Y is equal to Q. So can I write R minus P plus, instead of this X plus Y, I'll write Q. This is equal to X. So now I get the formula for X, that is the length of this green shaded region, in terms of P, Q and R. So the answer is R minus P plus Q. Okay, that was question number 9. Now let us try this question number 10. Question number 10 is a fish lays brown egg or white eggs, and it likes to lay the eggs in a certain pattern. Now what is that pattern? Each brown egg, each brown egg is surrounded by 6 white eggs. Here there are 3 brown eggs and 14 white eggs. Now this is a question which pertains to sequences. Okay, so in sequence you have position number, okay, and you have position values. Okay, so position number, suppose for this question you take brown eggs as the position number. So when the brown eggs are 1, okay, the number of white eggs will be 6. When the brown egg will be 2, the number of white eggs should be 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and when the brown egg is 3, it is given here, when brown egg is 3, the number of white eggs is 14. Okay, so can I write here 14? So here I get a complete table for position number 1, 2, 3, and the position value 6, 10, and 14. So this will make a sequence. Okay, now this is a sequence which is arithmetic sequence. Why? Because this difference 10 minus 6 is 4, and this difference 14 minus 10 is also 4. So you get a common difference d is equal to 4. And here this is the first term, that is 6. So you can take a equal to 6, right? Now you know that a sequence can always be written, the nth term of a sequence can always be written as an is equal to first term a plus n minus 1 times d. This is the formula for any general arithmetic sequence. So you can write an is equal to, your first term happens to be 6, so a is 6 plus n minus 1, keep it as it is, and d you just now found out it is 4. So an will be equal to 6 plus, this will be 4n minus a 4. So an will be equal to 6 minus 4 will be 2 plus 4n. Okay, so this is the general formula for the number of white. This will give you the number of white eggs when n is the number of brown eggs. Okay, so when n is the brown eggs, okay, your an will be your white eggs. Okay, so this is the formula that will give you. Now let us work out what is this a part of the question. A is how many eggs does it lay altogether if it lays 200 brown eggs. So 200 brown eggs means n you have to take as 200. So when n is 200, this is the answer for a that we are finding. Okay, when n is 200, your an will be equal to, it will be 2 plus 4 times 200. Okay, that will work out to 400 in 2 into 4, 200 into 4 will be 800, plus 2 will be 802. So 802 will be the total white eggs. Okay, sorry, yeah, white eggs. So how many eggs does it lay altogether if it lays n brown eggs? So if it lays say 200 brown eggs, then the number of white eggs together with the brown eggs will be 802. So this is the answer for a part of the question. Now what is b part? How many eggs does it lay altogether if it lays n brown eggs? So that the formula we have already found out. When n is equal to when n is the number of brown eggs, okay, the number of total eggs will be 2 plus 4n. So this is the formula for this. So b ka answer is this and a ka answer is 802. Now on the similar lines you have this question number 11 also. So let us try to find out the answer for this question number 11. Now question number 11, okay, here we go with question number 11. Okay, the last one. So question number 11 is similar to this question number 10. Okay, now what it says is in the diagram below, the rows of green tiles surrounded by white tiles is shown over here. So can you see in the first diagram the number of green tiles is 3. So let this be the position number and the position value will be the number of white tiles. Okay, so when the number of green tiles is 3, the number of white tiles happens to be 3 plus 3 6, 7 8 9 10 11 12. So it is 12. Okay, when the number of green tiles is 5, okay, you can see when it is 5, the number of white tiles happens to be 16. Okay, now what about number of 4 tiles, and what about the number of green tiles 2 and 1? So let us try to complete this sequence. Okay, now if you go by this pattern, when there are 3 green tiles, the number of white tiles are 12. Okay, now when there are 5 green tiles, the number of white tiles are 16, right? So when there are 4 green tiles, if you draw also, you'll come to know when there are, suppose these are 1 2 3 and 4 green tiles. Okay, then you will have this 3 white tiles over here, you will have another 3 white tiles over here, 3 plus 3 6, and this is 4, no? So you'll have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 plus this 3, 8 9 10 11, and this is 3 12 13 and 14, isn't it? So when there are 4 green tiles, your number of white tiles will be 14. Now you can see a clear pattern over here. This difference is of 2. Okay, 12 14 and 16. So this is having a common difference of 2. Okay, but our position number 3 is not the first one. Okay, so if we go behind and draw this same position number and position value ka chart, okay, you will get for 1 and 2, 3 4 and 5 you have got. Okay, what are the answers? For 3 it is 12, for 4 it is 14, for 5 it is 16. For 2 it will be, now this is 16 minus 2, 14 14 minus 2, 12 12 minus 2 should be 10, 10 minus 2 should be 8. So this is a complete chart. Now from here you can write a general formula AN, that is the total number of tiles, okay, white tiles surrounding the green tiles. Okay, so that is what they have asked you to find out. Find the formula for the number of white tiles which would be needed to surround the row of green tiles. Okay, so this will give you the number of white tiles. Okay, and it is given by the formula A plus n minus 1 times D. Your A in this case is 8 plus n minus 1, and your D is nothing but 2. Okay, so 2. This will work out to A plus 2n minus 2. This is 6 plus 2n. Okay, so this is the formula which will tell you how many white tiles are needed, okay, when the number of green tiles is n. Okay, so with this we end our exercise 5 over here, and this chapter exercise number 5 is also over, and in the next video we'll be starting with exercise 6 perhaps. Okay, so till then, goodbye, take care all of you, see you.